think that's probably about as good as it's gonna get. Maybe less. There we go. Now it kind of matches. The amount of setup that goes into this. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit since we've done an update on the Protege, so today's video is nothing short of that. But I want you guys to meet somebody. Say hi.
Hello.
This is my girlfriend Kira. Kira, the boys.
Hi.
And like maybe one girl. The vlog, Kira. I've been anxious about introducing a girlfriend on the channel, but you know, she said that she wanted to help work on the cars, and I was like, well, if you want to help work on the cars, you have to be on camera. So here we are.
Excited to be here.
I think this is gonna be good though, because I'm gonna make her turn wrenches and I'm gonna coach her but also point the camera. Hopefully the video quality will increase because it won't just be a one-man show. But with all that out of the way, it's time to pick up where we left off. I had to buy some parts for this car. In the background, I was like making deals with people on Facebook. I don't even know how to begin explaining what the heck all this is without kind of tearing this apart first. So we're gonna take some stuff apart. You ready?
Cool.
There you go. You know.
Because obviously they're different.
Yeah, you can see the problem.
Yeah.
Wait, you actually can't tell?
I mean, they're a little bit different, yeah. Like the bend here is different.
Yeah. So they're actually like almost identical until this very end piece.
Yeah.
This one has 2 barbs, and that one only has 1. So I went on a wild goose chase through the Facebook forums trying to find this piece. This is from the Protege5, which was naturally aspirated. This is from a Mazdaspeed Protege, which was turbocharged. The turbo car has an oil cooler on the back side of the engine, which I talked about in the last video, and I decided not to jerry-rig or fabricate anything. I decided I wanted the OEM part because this sits on the back side of the engine. If there were to be any leaks, it would be a huge pain to dig it back up. So we've gone the OEM route, and I found the part that I need. So this has to go in the place where this was, and then we'll have 2 coolant barbs on the end of this for the return line, or maybe it's the feed line. I don't know which one it is. But either way, coolant will be able to run through this tube, and then we'll have a working oil cooler. Okay, so I freaking lost the oil filter stud. I know it's in this garage somewhere, but I'm gonna have to find it at a different point. That's okay, because the main purpose of today's video is actually gonna be to clock the turbo. So I was just explaining to Kira what the heck we're doing. In the original orientation, the turbo points up, but since we're doing a front mount, I was talking with somebody in the community and he told me I pretty much have no choice other than to clock it unless I want my intercooler piping to be like routing all around the engine bay. Whereas if I just sack up and clock the turbo, then I won't have these issues. I was trying not to clock it because I couldn't get the snap ring out originally, but now I'm feeling as though I have no choice. So what I did was I went and bought a giant pair of snap ring pliers, and I'm gonna just pray that the snap ring doesn't break and use these ginormous clampers to try to get it out of there. And Kira's gonna be my cheerleader. Oh my god. Okay, I got it like part of the way. Oh yes, it wants to go. Yes. Oh, utterly ridiculous. Okay, now how do I get the compressor housing off? Oh, this thing is crusty. Kinetic persuasion device. Okay, so I think I need to get this all the way off. Oh, there it goes. Okay, sweet. So we have the compressor housing off. Now, unfortunately, we can't just slap it on there and call it good because our wastegate actuator needs to be connected to the housing. This is where things are gonna get a little bit tricky because I don't know exactly how to do that. Okay, so this is our turbo orientation. Now obviously from the factory it was kind of oriented like this. We can't change the location of our wastegate actuator because the wastegate door is on the back side of the turbo. So it's got to stay right in this area. I think it sits about like that. Originally They were like this, and then those two bolts, I don't know if you can see them from where you're at. Those two bolts hold the bracket. So when we clock our turbo, what I've been trying to figure out is what the exact angle needs to be. We don't want to go too far, and we don't want to be less, because then we're kind of just coming forwards. So I'm thinking something about like this, and then we could snake it down and over to our front mount intercooler. This looks like the picture that one guy on Instagram sent me. So that one guy on Instagram is obviously the best authority.
The guys on Instagram are always
right.
always listen to men on the internet.
You're gonna just, you see the holes?
It's dark.
Uh-oh.
No one else sees the holes, but I do. Alright, let's see. Your finger's in the way.
Oh shoot.
There you go.
Probably just gonna go right there. I don't really know where else it'll go. Hopefully that's close enough. Okay, so quick update. Wait, actually go straight. Sorry, you're good. I have to give directions and give you guys an update. So we figured out where we need to put the wastegate actuator. Now we're going to the store to measure the thread pitch so we can get a tap for the holes that we have yet to drill but will drill. Then when we get back, we're going to measure the depth of them and very carefully, go left, very carefully drill holes in the compressor housing. And I wish that I had a drill press. Turn right. Sorry. I wish I had a drill press because that would make it a lot easier to drill the holes super accurately, but I don't, so we're just gonna have to go super carefully with the drill and try our best not to screw it up. Okay, what the heck did we just do?
Oh my gosh. This is, well, we talked about it. This might be the sketchiest shit that's happened here yet.
Yeah.
But we found a drill press. Look at it. It's so cute. It's the smallest one I've ever seen. That's adorable.
Oh my gosh. Okay, yes. So we found this drill press in the back. We have clamped down our compressor housing. We have our marks to where our holes need to go. We've measured our depth with duct tape, very precise. So now we literally just have to drill the holes. Well, we got to make sure these are lined up, right? We have clamps holding everything down. We're doing this on like a wooden bench. So yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
we're about to fuck around and find out.
I don't see why it wouldn't work.
I think it's great. This is all assuming that this drill press turns on.
It'll turn on.
Oh yeah, probably.
It's gonna get voltage.
Hey, look at it. It's only like 20 years old. It's fine.
Only 20.
Look at it.
I mean, the turbo's like 20 years old, so it's perfect. We're period correct.
Yes.
This is how they would have done it at Mazda.
Back in the 1900s.
Okay, so we've pretty much done as much progress as we can today. We have successfully clocked our turbo about 180 degrees. So now our intercooler piping will go down. It's gonna look really nice. We got this water feed line attached to the turbo. That's the one that's on the back side. The front one doesn't quite fit with our new turbo orientation. So I'm probably gonna have to make something custom, and Kira will probably help. And then on the back side of the engine, I had to special order this fitting from Callaway. So we got that in here, and then our water feed line for the turbo. If we wanted to, we could put the oil feed line on, but I don't have the T adapter that I need for the oil pressure sensor port, I guess. So we're just gonna hold off on that. But all in all, pretty decent progress. Once I get the oil filter stud here, then we'll be able to put our oil cooler on, run the lines, because now we have this Mazdaspeed Protege special thingy. And yeah, I think once we have those last couple pieces, we can put the engine in the car. I've been saying that for like 3 episodes now.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, we put the engine in the car. Oh wait, we gotta do this thing. But we're doing it right.
Been telling me that for quite a while now.
Quite a while. I say that like we've been together forever. She doesn't even know how badly I can procrastinate. Okay, what do you want to do now?
Eat food.
Eat food?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go eat food. Perhaps update the vlog in a minute. I didn't record anything. I put the camera down and then a week went by. We're still together though, so like, it's okay, nothing crazy happened. Those last few parts that I needed for the oil cooler on the back of the engine, I've been back and forth with the dealership a couple times. I have parts on order. They're just not here yet. They told me they were gonna show up last week after we recorded the video. A few days went by, I didn't hear anything. I called them, they still hadn't gotten them in yet. So I don't know what's going on with shipping, but we will have the engine in the car very soon. Check it out, we have a new setting for the video, or videos, I guess. Like this is Kira's cute little apartment. You wanna give us like a house tour?
Well, you're seeing most of it. This is the kitchen, like my island. Don't look over there. And the living room, and then all my plants. There's
Yes,
more.
we love the plants.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. And
The bedroom. Yeah, we're packing for a trip. Yeah, so we're going down to San Diego for Thanksgiving. So that'll be fun.
yeah.
But yeah, this is like the chill place. I've been sitting here like editing videos and applying for jobs. How do I flip the camera around?
I don't know.
I got the new iPhone and I don't know how. I don't know if you can flip it during.
What's that?
That might do it. Nope. Started a new clip. I don't think you can flip the camera on like the camera app. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go on a trip for Thanksgiving. I don't think I'm gonna record anything. This video should go up like right before Thanksgiving, day before. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed meeting Kira. I'm sure you guys will see her around, and I'll see you guys next time. Well, I don't know if you'll be in the next video. I'll for sure see you next time. You guys will see Kira soon. If you liked today's video, be sure to leave a like down below. It really helps out the channel when you guys do that. And subscribe for more Protege and Mustang. And actually 944 content soon. Maybe. We'll see. I need to sell one of these cars. It's getting out of hand. Anyway, see you guys. Peace.